Once upon a time in the lush hills of Jamaica, there lived a serpent named Hiss. He was a small, yet fierce snake, with scales that shimmered like the golden sunlight and a tongue that flicked with lightning speed. Hiss lived a simple life in the underbrush, surrounded by the songs of the island's beautiful birds and the rustling of leaves. One day, Hiss was basking in the sun when he stumbled upon a hidden cave behind a cascading waterfall. He cautiously made his way inside, his eyes adjusting to the dim light. As he explored the cave, he heard the faint sound of drums beating in a rhythmic cadence. Entranced, Hiss slithered closer to the source of the music. Suddenly, the cave was filled with a brilliant light, and a majestic figure descended from the air. It was none other than Brer Anansi, the wise and cunning spider, who served as a royal advisor to the Jamaican kingdom. Anansi was accompanied by a gentle breeze that carried the sweet scent of frangipani, and with it, a hint of royal magic. Anansi revealed to Hiss that he was on a mission to find a worthy candidate to succeed to the throne of Jamaica. The current king, who ruled with wisdom and kindness, was growing old, and the time had come for a new prince to take his place. As Hiss looked up at Anansi, the snake saw something in his eyes that gave him a glimmer of hope. Anansi performed an ancient ritual, chanting ancient Jamaican words and waving his hands in mystic patterns. A soft breeze rustled the leaves, and Hiss felt a strange tingling sensation in his body. As the ritual concluded, Anansi declared to Hiss, "You, O Hiss, are chosen to be the new prince of Jamaica." With a wave of Anansi's hand, Hiss's body began to transform. He grew taller and stronger, his scales shed and fell off as his body became human. His eyes shone bright with a newfound regal wisdom, and his voice changed from hissing and boomed with wise words and authority. As the new prince, Hiss was welcomed into the Jamaican kingdom with great fanfare. The people cheered and danced in the streets, celebrating the arrival of their new leader. With Anansi by his side, Hiss embarked on a journey of self-discovery, learning the ways of the kingdom and the duties of a prince. Under Hiss's wise and gentle rule, the kingdom flourished. The land became a place of peace and prosperity, where the beauty of Jamaican culture was celebrated by all. And Hiss, the small serpent who had once lived in the underbrush, became a beloved prince, cherished by his people and respected by all. From that day forward, Hiss ruled Jamaica with kindness, compassion, and wisdom, always remembering the wise words of Anansi, "The smallest among us can become the greatest, if only we believe in ourselves and in the magic of the universe."